Welcome, everybody. If you're new here, my name is Dave, and if you're not new here, you know the deal. My name's still Dave. I'm coming to you today. It's December, almost Christmas. The holidays are on us. As you can hear, I've got quite a bit of a head cold right now, but I wanted to do this quick video because it is seasonal sensitive, time sensitive, and we're taking a break from the usual bees, garden, or chickens, although you can kind of see all of them back there. There's the coop way back there, and there's the greenhouse, the seed starter. Anyway, we were fortunate enough the other day to go to our annual small town boat parade. And if you don't know what a boat parade is, well, it's a regular parade except with boats in the water. Each boat is lighted up for Christmas, for the holidays, and they do have a judging contest. I posted a video. We didn't make it last year, but the year before, I believe, I have a video posted, and we're going to post this one here. And this is my way of spreading a little Christmas cheer to all of you. I hope this finds you well. I hope your holidays are safe, merry, and you have a happy new year. It doesn't mean I won't still be posting videos, but I just wanted to get it in there in case I don't. We still have just so you know, we still have a fence video we need to finish, and I've got a couple other things slated. So, without further ado, let's check out some beautiful boats.